Hello friends, today we're making moi moi two ways.
The most important thing you need is, of course, beans, black eyed pea. Important part is a blender, a good blender. We have oil from the stew. After cooking the stew, the oil you save from on top of the stew. Make meat stock from bone broth. Seasoned salt, red bell pepper, tatashi, vegetable oil. We have palm oil. Narrow red. My mind is on its way. So we have the black pea. Add cold water. Wait for about 5 minutes and we're going to complete it. Boom.
We're ready to crush it. Let's see the level of the beans compared to the level of the water. Make sure you have enough water to cover it. Okay. Make sure you have enough water to be able to crush it. Say pause, 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 pause. We're not blending. We're just pausing to peel out the skin. Now we'll wash it. Put water, rub it with both hands, and the skin will be on top of the water. Zip out the skin in a zip. Don't let it go into your clog your sink. Okay? Put a zip to catch the skin. Repeat it.
Clean, nice clean. It's little specks. Well, you can take them out if you have to. It's not going to destroy it. 1 or 2 specks left.
Okay, now you see all the veggies. I cut them so that it doesn't overwork your machine, and then we added the bone broth. My goodness, rich bone broth. I use bone broth to blend it instead of water. Yeah, that's a rich my mind. Okay, we had a scrambled boiled egg. That's a boiled egg that we cut into a little piece. And then we added oil, any good cooking oil we do. Add palm oil also, just for the taste. Not a lot of palm oil, just a little bit. Make sure you taste it for salt and pepper before everything starts. Stir it very well. Okay, that's the palm oil doing its thing.
I folded it.
Yeah, fold it into a little purse. Yeah, you fold it and then pinch the end. Fold it, fold it and pinch the end. Look at it. I stirred the my very well before you start pocketing it. Stir it before you pocket it. Give enough space, okay? Don't overfill the paper or whatever container you're using, okay? And then bend it and then pinch the ends. Woo, this one is ironclad.
You see the water boiling. I put the foil to give the distance. We're only steaming. So then put, then put, then put, and immediately cover. Immediately cover. Boom, boom.
The leftovers are amazing. This is one I'm boiling at work for my lunch. It was delicious and enjoyed. And if you take off the foil, you can warm it in the microwave, but please don't warm it with the foil. So that's why I showed you boil it on the stove top. I hope you enjoyed these 2 ways of making my mind. Please do subscribe to help my channel. I have more fun and more healthy and more yummy food and other recipes coming your way. Thank you very much. Tschüss, bis bald. Vielen Dank.